Nandito na kami sa port ng Allure of the Sea. Ayan yung ating sasakyan para sa ating journey. First day namin ito. So ito yung mga kasama namin. Ayan. Hello everyone, my name is Sunny Mejia from Espenia Travel Hub. Like what I said earlier, this is our first day for the Allure of the Sea by Royal Caribbean. Allure of the Sea is the top 5 of the biggest ship in the world, and the crew is about 2,400, and this one is built in 2010, and the passenger for this Allure of the Sea is about 5,400. Yeah,
You know what? Let me take the. Let me have the New York cheese.
Yan ang bibili mo.
For your mom, please?
Nakakulit sa akin.
Sure.
The filet mignon medium well.
Medium?
Yeah, and the royal chocolate.
Medium well for me.
Some benefit for having what is the key. A VIP upgrade for Royal Caribbean and gives you special perks on the cruises. Number 2, skip the line, board the ship faster. Number 3, drop off your carry-on and they will bring it to your room. Number 4, sit down lunch on day 1. And of course, it's a better food like steakhouse meal. Number 5, get into show early and no waiting on long lines. All the activities like floor ride, zip line, rock wall with less crowd, and it comes with your internet, Wi-Fi on one device. Number 8, be one of the first of port and on the last day. Number 9, special breakfast on the last day with no buffet stress or long line on the buffet. Okay po. Dito naman tayo sa ating kwarto at naipaliwanag na natin yung ating VIP na tinatawag na key. At medyo magpahinga muna tayo sa kakasalita natin ng English. At yung ating ilong ay dinugo na po. Nosebleed na tinatawag. At ito na po yung ating balcony sa labas at makikita nyo na makikita rin natin dito yung tubig. Kaya pinili natin itong lugar na ito, kaya itong kwartong to para naman ma-experience natin yung inside balcony. At maya maya po ng konti maglalayag na po itong ating barko. Ayos medyo malamig yung hangin, hindi pa layag itong ating barko, medyo mahangin na. Kaya maganda yung panahon ngayon. At kung makikita ninyo, malapit lang kami dito sa likod, so makikita din namin yung tubig ng dagat. At kita ko nga kanina, papakita ko uli. Meron kayong makikita dyan na umaakyat na rock climbing. At yung show mamaya makikita din natin dito. At ito yung yung tube slide o slide 200 something feet. Okay siya. Nasa loob kami ng tsaka meron pang zip line Ayan. Tsaka may basketball court sa taas. Siyempre, papasyalin natin lahat yan, papakita po natin lahat. Dito naman tayo sa baba, nagpunta po tayo ng deck 6 at nandito po lahat yung mga katulad ng mga restaurant at yung ibang bar nandito rin. At nakita nyo rin yung Ferris wheel. At dito po yung nakikita natin sa taas kanina na yung dulo po na ito. At doon po tayo sa itaas, sa 11th floor kung sa hotel baga. Kaya nasa deck 11 po tayo. Ito pala ay slide, wala po palang tubig ito. Akala ko nung una ay may kasama pong tubig. Ito po lamang ay yung pinaka kalahati ng barko po. Kami po ay nasa likod at sila Manang Bioli naman, Ate Floria at saka si Manang Belen ay nasa harapan naman po. Parang naglalakad po tayo sa maliit na city na nandito na po lahat. Nandito po yung dalawang rock climbing, kabilaan po ito. At saka yung screen na pinagpapanooran ng mga movies. Yan po, pwede ka pong manood dito anytime na umupo ka at mag-order po ng sarili niyong drinks. Dahil nga po Mother's Day ngayon, kaya po palusa sa ating
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting
At
after
ito
it.
naman po yung
I got
kalahati
facts over
ng
facts over
bangko na
tracks, this and
papunta
that,
po
spitting
kami
slow,
doon
speaking
sa
fast. I could
harapan.
roast, I could gas, think I'm
At
okay at last,
dito
but
po
I
sa
don't know if
deck
that can
5,
erase all the past and the
nandito po lahat.
pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious,
Souvenir.
mysterious, because you
At
are
saka
behind a
yung
fake
mga
exterior,
restaurant,
inferior. You know
at
I'll
saka
always be a
siyempre
bit
marami
superior.
pong
Get
bar.
off of me, this ain't no
At
humble
nandito
brag. I
rin
want
yung
you to
mga
hear
ibang,
words, you can say them back. I want you to
kumakanta
feel
dyan sa
free
taas.
from the chains that last,
At
and
yung
to
mga
believe in what you
entertainment
got. It was
na
built to
kung
last,
saan
yeah.
dito po. At dito naman sa gitna, meron din nagbebenta rito ng mga souvenir at saka mga
I don't ever slow up,
mamahaling
no I don't take shit. I got no
at saka
love
mga
for the
basketball.
fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take
Kung
shit. I
makikita
got
niyo
no
po yung
love
Sorrento
for the
na
fakeness.
restaurant
If
po.
you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
At
show up
anytime
and
po
make a
pwede
statement.
nyo
Gonna learn the
rin
consequence of
at
being
mag-order
incompetent.
ng
Mental health is
slice
confidence,
or
dreams and some honestness.
or
I'm
two
not here to save the day, that's for
slices
you to take
hanggang
away. I could play a million
siguro
mind games, but instead of
hanggang
say something not
ang
illogical,
kasawa ko
something
ang
that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go.
Salamat
Make yourself
po
unstoppable.
muli sa
Dreams
mga
are irresponsible,
nanonood
but
ng
they're always
ating
possible.
videos.
If you just believe, you could be
At
so
siyempre huwag niyo
remarkable.
pong
Thoughts in my head, a
kalimutang
collage
mag-subscribe.
spread. I'll be great
Lalo
one
na
day,
po yung
going
mga
off of my
hindi pa
meds.
po
No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm
nakapag-subscribe.
not giving in. I will
Subscribe
make
na
it
po.
to the top, taking
At
off
siyempre
and
po
knowing
huwag
I
niyo
gotta
pong
make it.
kalimutang
I'm saving every day to
mag-like
taste it. I'm patient,
at
but my mind
i-share
it can
po
hardly
o
take it. I'm
paki-share po
chasing a
yung
dream that I'd
ating
had for
video.
several ages of
Maraming pong
bacon.
salamat.
Modern kingdom for the taking.
Ito na nga po, naglalayag na po tayo sa karagatan ng Barcelona, Spain. Karagatan po natin ng Barcelona. At maglayag na po. Tutuloy na po ito. Isa na kita po natin. Ito.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you want